Fourth problem. Parikshit makes a cuboid of plasticine of sides 5 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 5 centimeter. How many such cuboids will he need to form a cube? So, the cuboid dimensions are cuboid dimensions equal to 5 into 2 into 5. So, the cuboid can make into cube. Cuboid make into cube. We need to form triplet by multiplying by suitable multiples. Whose are here 2 5s are there. We need 5, 1 5 and 2 2's. That is to product of these equal to 5 into 2 into 2, so 20. Therefore, 20 cuboids need to form a cube. It is the answer. Next, we are discussing the cube roots. The cubes means suppose a cube is equal to suppose b, then how we are getting a is a number means cubed root of b. It is called as cube root. Cube root symbol is in the cube of suppose b or cube of x. The square root means suppose a square equal to b, then we can write a is equal to square root of b. In this, only root is nothing but square root. If in under root is there any number, then we can take it as cube root. If in the under root 4 is there, fourth root. 5 is there, fifth root. In that way we can take it as. Okay. Here, the first thing we can discuss what are the statements. Statements means cubes and cube roots. Okay. Statement equal to cube root and inferences. That is the inference means inverse. What is the cube root and cube root? That is the thing. Here, first we can take 1 cube is equal to 1 only. So, cube root of 1 or cube root of 1 equal to 1. 2 cube is equal to 8. From this, cube root of 8 is equal to 2. 3 cube equal to 27. From this, 3 cube root of 27 is equal to 3. 4 cube is equal to 64. From this, cube root of 64 is equal to 4. 5 cube is equal to 125. So, cube root of 125 is equal to 5. 6 cube equal to 216. So, cube root of 216 is equal to 6. 7 cube equal to 343. From this, cube root of 343 equal to 7. 8 cube equal to 512. Cube root of 512 is equal to 8. 9 cube equal to 729. So, cube root of 729 is equal to 9. 10 cube equal to 1000. So, cube root of 1000 is equal to 10. These are the statements and inferences from the cubes and cube roots. You remember this, okay? How the squares we wrote it, the same thing in the cubes and cube roots only. If cube is there, both sides, we can take the cube root, means cube root of 5 cube is equal to cube root of 125. 5 cube means it can be written as 5 cube whole power 1 by 3. We know that in the exponential 3 ones are 3 ones are, we are getting the 5. 5 is equal to cube root of 125. In the same way we can do it. Okay. Cube root of 27 means we can take the prime factorization. 3 nines are 3 threes are. So it is equal to 3 cube equal to 27. 3 is the cube root of 27. Like that. The next exercise we go through that only. Okay. Next, cube root through prime factorization method. How to find out the cube root? Cube root through prime factorization method. Prime factorization method means I am taking one example here. 3375 is there. Through the prime factorization, we take the 5. Why? Because 5 is in units place. 5 6 are 30, 5 7 are 35, 5 5 are 25. 5 ones are 5, 5 threes are 15, 5 fives are 25. 5 twos are 10, 5 sevens are 35, 3 nines are 27, 3 threes are 9. So here 3375 can be written as 5 in triplet, 3 in triplet, 3 into 3 into 3. So it can be written as 5 into 3 whole cube. It is equal to 15 cube. So cubed root of 3375 is equal to, only we can write it as base 15. In that way we can find out cube roots through prime factorization method. Okay. Next, here one more problem. 8000 is there. 8000 means we know it. For 3 we can write it as 3 cube. For 8 it is the 2 cube. Again 8 into 1000 is 8000. So 2 into 10 whole cube is equal to 20 cube. So cubed root of 8000 is equal to 20. This is the way we find the cube root through prime factorization. Now we are going to discuss some problems on the cube roots, how to find out by the method. We can find the cube roots by the method of the prime factorization. Here discussing exercise 7.2, they have given 10 problems. 64, 512, 10,648, 27,000, 15,625, 13,824, 1 lakh, 10,592, 46,656, 1 lakh 75,616, 91,125. Here I'm going to discuss first and fifth, ninth and seventh. Remaining you can practice and you do those as homework. The first question is 64. We know that it is a even number. 2 threes are 2 twos are 2 sixteens are 2 eights are 2 fours are 2 twos are. So 64 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2, one triplet, and 2 into 2 into 2 is another triplet, is 2 into 2 whole cube. It is 4 cube. So cubed root of 64 is equal to 4. This is the cubed root by the prime factorization. Next, 27,000. Fourth one, 27,000. From this we can write it as 1000 means 10 cube, 27. First we can write it as 27 into 1000, 27,000. It is the 3 into 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27 into 10. 1000 means 10 into 10 into 10. So we can write in the triplet form 3 into 10 whole cube, that is equal to 30 cube. So cubed root of 27,000 is equal to 30. Okay, or we can go through the prime factorization. But by observing that, we can easy to find out what is the cubed root. Seventh problem, 1,10,592. 1,10,592. So seventh one. Do the prime factorization. So even number, start with 2. 2 5s are 10, 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are 4, 2 9s are 18, 2 6s are 12. 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 14, 2 6s are 12, 2 4s are 8, 2 8s are 16. 2 1s are 2 3s are 6, 2 8s are 16, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. 2 6s are 12, 2 9s are 18, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12. 2 1s are 2, 2 7s are 14, 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16. 2 8s are 16, 2 6s are 12, 2 4s are 8. 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 432. 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2 6s are. 2 1s are 0s are 2 8s are 16. 2 5s are 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 7 9s are, sorry, 3 9s are 3 3s are. Here one one triplet, two triplet, here three triplet, here it is 2 16s are. Here one triplet, here one triplet. This is one triplet. So 1,10,592 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 3, 4 times. 4 triplets are there too. 1 is 3. Whole cube. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 3s are 48 cube. So cubed root of 1,10,592 equal to 48 is the answer. Okay. Next problem. 1,75,616. Ninth one. Ninth one. 1,75,616. Again it is the even number. So choose 2. 2 8s are 16, 2 7s are 14, 2 8s are 16, 0, 2 8s are 16. 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6, 2 9s are 18, 0, 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 9s are 18, 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2, 2 zeros are 0, 2 9s are 18, 2 7s are 14, 2 6s are 12. 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 8, 2 8s are 16, 2 8s are 16. 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 14, 2 4s are 8, 2 4s are 8. 2 1s are 2 3s are 6, 2 7s are 2 2s are. 2 6s are 12, 2 8 is 16, 2 6 is 12, 2 3 is 6, 2 4 is 8, 2 3 is 6. Here it is in triplet, 2, 2 is in triplet, 2 is in triplet. Here 343 is in 7, 7 4 is 28, 63, 7 9 is 63, 7 7 is. This is in triplet. So 1,75,616 equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 7 whole cube. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 7 the 56 whole cube. So cubed root of 1,75,616 equal to 56 is the answer.